Walt Disney Studios is considered the king of animation, but across the pond you'll find many other powerhouses in the industry, some of which have created animated classics far better than some of what Disney has produced over the years. So let's take a look and don't forget to shout out your favorite non-Disney animated films in the comment section below. Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs, it is a 2009 American computer animated science fiction comedy film produced by Sony Pictures Animation. It was written and directed by Phil Lord and Christopher. In the film, an aspiring inventor named Flint Lockwood develops a machine that can convert water into food following a series of failed experiments. After the machine gains sentience and begins to develop food storms, Flint must destroy the machine in order to save the world. So do watch this movie if you haven't to know that did he really save the world?
Mamma mia!
Madagascar. Madagascar is a 2005 American computer animated comedy film distributed by DreamWorks Pictures. It was directed by Eric Darnell and Tom McGrath. It was one of the best-selling films of 2005. The plot revolves around an unhappy Central Park Zoo zebra, Marty, who yearns for open spaces and herds of other zebras. But his zoo friends Alex the lion, Gloria the hippo, and Melvin the giraffe are content. Alex is especially reluctant to leave because he's pampered like a celebrity. Still, when Marty makes a break one night with the unintentional help of 4 fugitive penguins, then all follow to rescue him and end up getting caught by human authorities who decide to ship the animals off. But the ship sinks and the animals wash up on Madagascar, where the two central communities are the lemurs and the lemurs-eating fossas. A crisis emerges when Alex gets hungry and begins to hallucinate that his friends are juicy stick on legs. Eventually, the friends find a solution, so watch this movie if you haven't to know the adventures happening on the island.
We've been ratted out, boys.
Madagascar.
Kung Fu Panda. It is a 2008 American computer animated action comedy directed by John Stevenson and Mark Osborne. In the Valley of Peace, a land in ancient China inhabited by anthropomorphic animals, Po, the giant panda, is a fan of Kung Fu who idealizes Furious Five, Tigress, Monkey, Crane, Viper, and Mantis, a quintet of Kung Fu masters trained by Master Shifu. When an evil Kung Fu warrior named Tai Lung is foretold to escape from prison, Po is unwittingly named the Dragon Warrior that was destined to defeat him. Do watch this movie if you haven't to see whether Po was able to defeat Tai Lung or not.
DreamWorks Kung Fu Panda.
Ice Age. Ice Age is a 2002 American computer animated comedy film directed by Chris Wedge and co-directed by Carlos Saldana. Ice Age is a clever, funny, and a touching story of an unlikely trio of animals who band together to return a human baby to his family. The story is set when glaciers covered much of the earth 20,000 years ago. As all of the other animals migrate south in search of food, three characters, Manny, a woolly mammoth, Sid, a sloth, and Diego, a saber-toothed tiger, are moving in the opposite direction. They don't like or trust each other very much at the beginning, and the journey becomes a psychological as they share experiences and confidences that make them see each other and themselves very differently. So please do watch this movie if you haven't.
Ice Age.
Despicable Me. It is a 2010 American 3D computer animated comedy film directed by Pierre Coffin and Chris Renaud. The plot revolves around a supervillain Gru who has made a name for himself stealing things like the Times Square Jumbotron and the Statue of Liberty. But he is being outshone by Vector, his rival who stole the Egyptian pyramids. In an attempt to outdo Vector, Gru sets up his mission to steal the moon. Gru decides to adopt 3 young orphans for his mission. But once the girls are in his care, Gru has to learn how to parent the orphans that he initially only adopted for selfish reasons. Eventually, he must decide between his mission and his role as a hesitant new father figure to three sweet little girls.
Despicable Me.
Coraline. Coraline is a 2009 American stop-motion animated dark fantasy horror film directed and written by Henry Selick. The story is about Coraline Jones, the only child unhappy about moving to a new house with her self-absorbed parents who are too busy working to spend any time with her. Once, when Coraline opens a small hidden door in her apartment, she discovers a secret passageway to a parallel world where everything, her parents, her house, her neighbors, her magical garden, seems way better. Or is it? Eventually, Coraline's dream world reveals itself to be frightening, perilous place. Do watch this movie for the nightmares Coraline has to face in the parallel world.
Coraline.
Shrek. Shrek is a 2001 American comedy film directed by Andrew Adamson and Vicky Jensen. In the story, an ogre called Shrek finds a swamp overrun by fairy tale creatures who have been banished by the corrupt Lord Farquaad aspiring to be king. Shrek makes a deal with Farquaad to regain control of his swamp in return for rescuing Prince Fiona, whom Farquaad intends to marry. With the help of Donkey, Shrek embarks on his quest, but soon falls in love with a princess who is hiding a secret that will change his life forever. The movie is a marvelous fairy tale with a thrilling quest and a happily ever after ending.
Shrek.
The Iron Giant. The Iron Giant is a 1999 American animated science fiction action film directed by Brad Bird. Set during the Cold War in 1957, the film centers on a young boy named Hogarth Hughes who discovers and befriends a gigantic metallic robot who fell from outer space. This wonderful film has so much humor and heart that it's one of the best family movies around. It's lively and heartwarming, and the characters, both human and robot, are so engaging that you might forget they aren't real. The robot, created with computer graphics, is seamlessly included with the hand-drawn actors, making the illusion even more complete and also making it to the list of the must-watch movies. How to Train Your Dragons. How to Train Your Dragon is a 2010 American computer animated action fantasy film directed by Chris Sanders and Dean DeBlois. On the Viking island of Berg, everyone is bestowed scary monikers and is taught how to kill invading dragons except for a young teen named Hiccup, who's the exception to the rule. He's a lanky young blacksmith's apprentice with a little dragon slaying potential. During the nighttime dragon attack, Hiccup manages to capture the most mysterious dragon of all, the Night Fury. But when faced with the creature, he can't kill it. Instead, Hiccup, who is accepted into dragon training with another new recruits, gets to know his new pet dragon, who he names Toothless, and uses his knowledge to quietly calm all of the dragons the recruits must face. But when Hiccup's secret is revealed, will the Vikings thank him for discovering the dragons aren't all cruel killers or brand him dragon-loving traitor? Please watch the movie for further information.
DreamWorks How to Train Your Dragon.
Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. It is a 2018 American computer animated superhero film featuring Miles Morales' incarnation of the Marvel Comics character Spider-Man. Set in a shared multiverse called the Spider-Verse, the story follows Miles Morales as he becomes the new Spider-Man and joins other Spider-People from various dimensions to save New York City from Kingpin. If you are a Marvel and a Spider-Man fan, you will definitely love this movie. It's a coming-of-age tale in which Miles, the earnest son of a New York cop, suffers an obligatory bite from a radioactive spider, then learns to master his new powers and of course save the world with the help of dissolute Peter Parker from another multiverse. For further plot information, do watch this movie.